Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So I have a few boxes of medicine here and I was going to sort them out to see which one were expired, and I just thought about doing a video so that I can do it with you. Okay, so what do we have? This is expired paracetamol. I don't know if you'll have the same names in English, so I'll just say them in French with the French accent. This is also expired since January 2025. Betamethasone, and this is the brand name, I think, for diprozone, or it's the other way around. So this goes to, I'm going to drop the expired ones at the pharmacy because you shouldn't be throwing out medicine. This one is also expired, ofloxacin, and it's been expired since February of 2024. I'm actually super tired. This is empty, but I see the medicine. This is not expired. This expires in 2026. Yes, I'm actually super tired. I have work tomorrow. And it's like 1 a.m. This also, I don't know if bandages are supposed to expire, but it's written that it expired in 2013, September. So I'll just leave it here because I know my parents wouldn't want me to throw that away. This just expired last month, so February 2025. We have some cream, ibuprofen. It expired in 2021. So I'm at my parents' house. That's where I live now. This is some codeine, expired in 2024. And I know that some of this stuff here, they don't sort them, and I have a bunch of stuff to film in my own house. Like for example the medicine right now. So this Audispray, a spray for your ears, this expired in September 2024. Okay, so we have some sérum physiologique. This is like, the pharmacist told me that this is seawater, and this one expired in 2022. I actually have this. I had some paracetamol and some more codeine that was expired. This alginate de sodium, bicarbonate de sodium. This didn't expire. It expires in November 2025. We have 3 of them. Then we have some Surgam, 200 milligrams. And oh, this is from Tunisia actually. This expires in 3 months. So we have 2 of them. I love when I see Arabic typography. Then we have some metopimazine, Venifarm. This expires in November. Otipax. This expired in January. And we have some more serum to finish that box. This expired this month. I'll probably use it because I need those because I'm always in front of my computer to work. And we finished the first box. Okay, second one. I'm missing the nail. Sorry. It's okay. Some brand new cough syrup. Yeah, 2027. Oflomed. This is ofloxacin. Oh, also from Tunisia. I love it. And this expired in August. Oh, in July, sorry. We have some more codeine that expired. He said it expired, so. Medicule. This I'll just leave it. Not even checking. Rhinomaxil. Some nose spray, I guess. 2027. I think this is brand new. Flector, diclofenac, epolamine in 2027. The compress. I don't even know how you say that in English, but it's the thing you put to, I don't know, the tissue like material to put alcohol in things. This is in 2027. And last one, brand new, I guess, 2027. So you know what? Second box is done. Pretty quick, right? Okay, another one of those. I know that my dad loved this because you put this when you have some muscular pain, or if you have like not a bruise, but when some part of your body just inflates because of pain, you would just put that on. This is some Tanjanil 2027. Vogalib for nauseous people, for nausea, I don't know. 2026. This is what I was talking about, the tissue material. Please tell me how we say that, because I don't know. Some more Tanjanil 2027. We have some paracetamol plus codeine. My dad was looking for that just like 10 minutes ago. That's why I thought about filming this. I'll give one to him. Then we have some more of the tissues I was talking about. Oh, we have some pictolis. Arabic again, lovely. We have ba, k, t, u, l, y, z. Pictolis. I don't know. Some more of this. We have some supplements. Clenbuterol, cutting and lean muscle supplements. And it expired. Fortunately, because what is it even doing here? I think it was my brother's when he was a coach. Yeah. This just expired in January. Pictolis. Alright, and the last box have some Microlax. Expires in November. Alright. I'm sorry, I'm very, very tired. Now we will put everything back into the box. Let's begin. Okay. It's a game of Tetris. Pictolis. Then I'll put. No, you know what? Doesn't work. I'll put first the flicker because it's taller. Alright. I'll probably need 2 boxes, but that's alright. I'm kind of putting all the long tubes in this one. Okay. Then the cough syrup. Then this. And here. Here. This. Wow. Okay. Or I'll just like keep those in another box. Or I can actually feed them pretty. Yeah. I'll use another one. And this. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see, but that's what they look like. And I'll just put all the expired here. So that tomorrow or Saturday I can go to the pharmacy. I forgot about this. Oh, perfect. Alright. I hope you liked that little video. I didn't force too much ASMR. To me, it was just the regular, natural ASMR, I guess. The ambient. But yeah. I'll see you around. It was nice to film for you guys. I missed it. Bye.